The Donkey's Lesson. There was a man in a village. He had a donkey. He would tie the bags of salt on the donkey's back and sell them in the market. On the way, they had to cross a stream. One day, the donkey's foot slipped and he fell into the water with salt bags and all. The man helped the donkey to his feet. When they resumed their journey, the donkey's joy knew no bounds. Most of the salt had melted away and he felt light. Every day, the donkey started pretending that his foot had slipped in the stream. The man decided to teach the donkey a lesson. Next day, he filled the bags with cotton. On the way, the donkey fell into the stream and the man helped him stand up. But the donkey could not move because the cotton had soaked a lot of water and the bags were too heavy. Greed leads to loss. A butcher sat in his shop selling meat. There were a few people in the shop. There was a dog in the shop too. He stood in a corner, waiting quietly, looking for a chance to pick up the scraps of meat. When the butcher cut a piece of meat, it fell on the ground. The dog wasted no time. He pounced on the meat and sprinted away. He ran for a while, searching for a place to eat it peacefully, away from other predators. Then he remembered his favorite haunt across the river. He ran on a grassy path that led to the river bridge. While crossing the bridge, he saw his reflection on the water. He thought it was another dog with a chunk of meat. The greedy dog barked at his own reflection. Lo, he ended up losing the piece of meat he had in his mouth. A tip on friendship. Up in the mountains, there lived a lion and a tiger. They were good friends. There was also a monk who lived in a cave in the mountains. Sometimes the lion and the tiger would visit the monk to seek advice and to learn new things. One day, the friends had an argument regarding the weather. The lion said, "We feel cold when the moon waxes." The tiger said, "No, we feel cold when the moon wanes." It went on like this for some time. Then they went to the monk and asked him about it. The monk replied, "Both of you are right. Since we feel cold during the waxing moon and during the waning moon, but we feel cold due to the wind which blows from east, west or north." The monk added, "The weather keeps changing, but friendship remains constant. So live without conflict and stay united always." The Old and the Wise. Once upon a time, in a forest, there lived 3 friends, a monkey, a crow, and an elephant. They loved one another a lot. But they also had many disagreements and could never arrive at a proper decision. One day, when they met near a huge banyan tree, the monkey said to the elephant and the crow, "When I was a baby, this banyan tree was a sapling. What was the size of this tree when you first saw it?" The elephant said, "As a baby, I remember rubbing my stomach against its tender shoots." The crow said, "When I was a baby, I ate a few berries and dropped the seeds here. The banyan tree has grown up from those seeds." The monkey and the elephant were surprised. Then the monkey said, "Friend, this means you are the oldest among us. We will value your opinion from now on."
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.